स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ आज 10 स्टॉक के बारे में और विच अप to 70% upside to brokerage by this week. Discover brokerage top 10 stock pick for up to 70% gains. I'll explore key buy recommendation across the sector now. Leading brokerages have identified several high value opportunity following Q3 earning. The market were up and about this week. Can investor discover value in the coming week? Which quarterly updates for Q3 under review? Brokers have been quick to adjust their forecast on key stock this week. Several top research hours, including Motilal Oswal, Nomura, Nuvama Wealth Management (UBS), and Jefferies, shared their latest recommendation and with shortlisted 10 stock across the banking, finance, auto, and customer sector. Motilal Oswal and on HDFC Asset Management Company. Motilal Oswal has buy on HDFC Asset Management Company. HDFC AMC, the brokerage has set a target price of Rs 3,200. This indicates an upside potential of around 25% as per the brokerage report. We expected a 16% compound annual growth rate each in revenue, earning before interest, tax, depreciation, and amortisation, and profit after tax, and 18% assist under management compound annual growth rate over financial year 2025 or financial 2028. और आप लोगों ने देख पा रहा है जो जेफारिस ऑन इम्भी photovoltaics power. Jefferies maintains its buy rating on MPV photovoltaics power with a target price of Rs 320 on the stock. This implies that the brokerage hours expected the stock to deliver more than 70% returns over the next 12 months, as it estimates that the stock is trading at a 50% discount to peers. India's solar installations are set to grow at 24 CAGR over financial year 2025-2028. MP's early entry in TopCon superior DCR driven portability and adequately and founded balance sheet are a competitive edge. Industry profitability should normalize financial year 2028 onward, but the brokerage firm expected high tens steady East State ROCE. We project 56% EBITDA CAGR over financial year 2025.